This week's episode features the Tesla Model 3 that was taken apart in a previous video. This Tesla has damage to the front right corner. Multiple fender support brackets will be replaced along with the fender and hood. The left fender will also be repaired. We will start by removing the right front wiring harness so we can bolt our new fender support and rail extension on. Before we bolt the new fender support on, we will perform our metalwork on the upper apron. The new fender bracket and rad support will be installed. These parts will be needed for when we test fit our new hood and fender. The damaged hood is now removed, which will give us access to start repairing the left fender. Spark paper is installed on all of the roof glass before grinding off the damaged fender brackets. Both brackets are now clamped on for the test fitting of the new fender. The metalwork is now performed on both the upper and lower A-pillar fender supports. The B-pillar applique and body weather strips are now removed to gain access to the body side molding screws. The front right door will now be overhauled for paint. The new hood is now test fitted on the vehicle. The new fender is now hung on the vehicle, making sure all mounting holes line up with the new brackets. Both headlights are now test fitted with the front bumper. With all the new parts fitting, it's time to take apart the vehicle so we can rivet, weld, and repair all of the remaining parts. The front left door is now overhauled for paint. The left fender is now removed, so we have access to finish the repair. The right fender and rad support are now removed, so the apron repair can be completed. The rivet holes are now drilled in the side fender support. The part is now marked where both mating flanges meet, so the panels can be prepped for applying the glue. The parts are now riveted together. The left fender repair will now be completed. Dye coat is now applied to the panel to show any imperfections when sanding. The right front door is now removed, so the upper A-pillar bracket can be repaired. The upper fender support bracket is now prepped for glue and spot welds. Resistance spot welding is now performed. This vehicle is now ready for the paint shop. Make sure to subscribe to see the assembly video and new videos posted every Friday.